2. Welcome back, guys, to today's video. And today we'll be doing our 100 subscriber special that we got. We already opened the box because I had no idea what it was, but we got it now. Just rip some tape off. Okay, so you ready? Let's see what we got. Ready, Simon? Oh, I think I need it.
Really?
Okay. Oh, we've got a paper here. Okay, it says, "Congratulations, Spider-Bat," which is the channel, right, "for surpassing 100 subscribers. Hope to see you grow in the next months and get the 100,000 for the plaque." The 100,000 plaque, probably. And see you guys. Wait, see you guys? No.
No.
Oh. Wish you guys the best of luck. YouTube. Wow, that's pretty cool. You ready, Simon? Open it up. You ready? Pick it out. Go. Nice and easy. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this thing.
They made it out of Legos.
Spider-Man, congratulations for surpassing 100 subscribers. It's backwards, but wow. Enjoy that, Simon? Do you? Whoa. You enjoy that?
I bet we're gonna get 1,000 more from this video.
No. Oof. Hurry up. We'll keep it right here or no? You might hit it, but good job. High five. High five. Now we're gonna have it. Now we're gonna have it. Good job. Yep, that was our 100 subscriber special. But see,
we will do it. Try not.
Not right now. Tomorrow. Somebody touch my spaghetti.
I'm touching my spaghetti.
So okay. We'll link it down in the description about the video that we just did and the last video that we just did. But this video will have some description. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.